Why does your scanner show the P0564 engine code? What does it mean? P0564 is a diagnostic trouble code for cruise control multifunction input a circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an electrical fault within the cruise control system, specifically related to the inputs from the driver's cruise control switch or buttons. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty cruise control switch, wiring problems, connector issues, blown fuse. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Mazda, Alfa Romeo, Ford, Land Rover, Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Chevy, Nissan, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.